Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix ChatGPT file stream access denied problem fixed. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you check your internet connection. Connect your internet. Next, go to your phone setting. Scroll down little bit. Find your apps. After that, tap on search here icon. Search here ChatGPT. Scroll down little bit. Tap on storage. You can see here clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear data. Go back. Tap on permission. Tap on allow all permission. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Play Store application. Tap on your Play Store. Search here ChatGPT. You can see that your Play Store apps is already latest version and updated. Now go back. Go to your ChatGPT. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.